is neutral. So for your teammate's question, if his backtest worked in 3 years and failed in 2, check which years were wins compared to the table above. If wins equals 2017, 20, and 21, strategy needs an uptrend regime. We're currently in a downtrend. Don't run it if it needs that uptrend. If the wins equal low vol years like 23, 24, strategy needs a calm market. We're currently 96% vol equals borderline. If losses equals 2018, 2022, strategy fails in downtrends. Currently in a downtrend, don't run it. So you'll have to answer these questions with your data and your backtest. And that's the beautiful thing about this is we all have different ideas. We all have different backtests. We all have different strategies. We're currently in a downtrend regime. If your teammate strategy failed in 2018, 2022, heavy downtrend years, tell them wait until we flip back to an uptrend. So my question here is 81%. What is that? Because I don't think Ethereum is down 81%. But I see up in 2025, it says negative 46% and 81% downtrend. Can you explain those? Just, I'm kind of confused. Kind of confused, dude. Kind of confused about your difference there. So I tried on localhost and the same thing. It just opens up the new page and it's the same. Okay, let's see what she said. So 81% in time in downtrend. Got it. So the time we've been in the downtrend is 81% of the time for this year. And that is our current regime. Based off of those simple regime tests, are they perfect? I don't know. But can I give you the code? That's for sure. That's for sure. Okay, let's go. Let's go ahead and show you all the code so you can have it, screenshot it, whatever. If you're in Quant Elite, then it's going to be in the GitHub as well. But let's see if we can put this in a better place. So Hyperliquid, extended, bots. I think backtest would be more appropriate. Let's move this to the backtest folder. Oh, I love doing that. All right, let's show you all the code, bro. I love doing things like that. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll through the code so you can see it. You can see that we're doing a detect volatility regime. So detect the volatility regime. We're seeing if it's a low vol, medium vol, or high vol. And then we're detecting the trend regime here. We're using ADX. Remember, we're using 2 different ADXs, the 14 and the 25. Trend look back 50. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and look at the momentum regime here. So detect momentum regime using autocorrelation. High autocorrelation equals momentum / trending. Low correlation means mean reverting. Beautiful, 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 dude. I can't believe how fast we can do this. Analyze regime by year. Analyze regime statistics by year. You can see here all the code. And then here's the main function. And you're going to need some data. I just use Coinbase. If you're in the bootcamp, you already have the data file. It's right here. It's in the data section. Where is it? Gosh, there's a lot of fire up in here. A lot of fire. Coinbase data right there. Boom. You got all the data. Add it to pandas here. Parse timestamp. Calculate returns. Detect the regimes. Analyze by year. That's important so we can understand. Because remember, the main question was, should I run this? Well, is the regime the same as the time it was working in your backtest? If yes, okay, tiny size. Make sure it still works because remember, past is not indicative of the future entirely. Find best performing years here. Look at the pattern recognition here. And that's all the code. So you got everything that I can give you. Much love to you. I feel like this is a bit of a cheat code when it comes to regime detection. If you need me to hold your hand through the process of automating your trading, I could do that in my short, concise 15-day bootcamp. And I teach you absolutely everything. There is a link for that, but no worries. If not, I will be in there with the gang, stepping on the gas, chasing Jim Simon.